So please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe. Alright? Like, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, so this is cabbage. Yeah, so on the menu is escovitch chicken cooked down with cabbage. Alright. This is food boiling. You know, get to boil up yet people, but make sure you want one. So you know, so I have afu yam and dumpling. Right there, so. But here so I have the chicken she the boil and some cabbage there, and the pot with the food is over there. Alright people, look, food finish, boil, and I just added the cabbage. Yeah, I just add the cabbage to it. So there you go. Okay guys, dinner is served. Cabbage cooked down with chicken and yam and dumpling. Yes.